The free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream to the current ends and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through the bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings of a fearful thrill, of things unknown, but long for still. His tune is heard on a distant hill. The cage bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze. The trade winds soft through the sighing trees. The fat worms waiting on a dawn-bright lawn, and names the sky his own. But a bird that stands on the grave of dreams, his shadow shouts on a nightmare of screams. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings of a fearful thrill, of things unknown, but long for still. His tune is heard on a distant hill. The caged bird sings of freedom. Freedom, freedom.